Hi, Grace. I'm going to do just a couple of the tasks I'm not sure if you had trouble with, but hopefully this will help. So the first one is add text Patty border to the center header section. We used to do the header in File, Print, and then you would go down to Page Setup. But you can, I'll just click it there, you can click Page Setup and you would do it in here, header, footer, or back in the Excel worksheet, you could do it from Insert and then choose under Text, Header, Footer, and it takes you right into the header, and then you would type the name that they have here. And then to exit the header, you can click anywhere outside of the header, so in any other cell, and that'll take you out of the header. So that's one. The next one, using the fill handle to copy the formula. So in B11, you actually want the formula copied in C11 and D11. So click in B11, hover over to that little green box and drag across, and that should fill it. And then another one. This one is entering text as a number. So they have 2020, 2021, and then they want 2022. Well, in order for Excel to take this as text, as like, so when let's say you're going to do column totals here, if Excel saw this as a number, it would want to include that in your total. But because it has that little marker, it's telling Excel that when it's time to add, it's going to just add these 4 cells. It will not add that because that's a title, not an actual number. So to get that marker, the little green triangle, you would type the apostrophe and then 2022. And that tells Excel it is a title of this column and not a number. And the last one was another insert header footer. This one was a little different. So again, in the insert tab, and then choose header footer in the text. And then on the left-hand side, you want the sheet name. On the right-hand side, way over on the right, you're going to type viewed on and the shift underscore, and then we'll also put the current date, and then again click in A3 where it says first name, and that's the header footer. So hopefully that was helpful. Take care, Grace.